Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to check if Outlook is installed on the host machine and using Python. So first I'm going to import a module. Uh, we are going to import Python com. It's for Windows, so we are just going to import Python com, import win32 com.client. And now I'm going to define a function which will check if we have Outlook installed on our host machine. So I will define a function def, and function name will be check. And now I'm going to use a try block. Try. We are going to use Python com dot co initialize and then we will get our Outlook. I will name it out, and by calling window32 com dot client dot dispatch, and we'll check for Outlook dot application, and then going to call get namespace dot get namespace API. And if this work, we are going to return a true. Return true. In our exception block set, we are going to return false. And we can call this function our check. And just save it, our script. So this is the Python script to check the installation of Outlook on a host machine. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.